Namaskar, myself Dr. Kamla R. Nagar, Professor and Head Department of Dravagun, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to share my lecture on Amalki or Amla or Phyllanthus embolica. Content of the lecture are general introduction, written name and family, morphology, properties, useful part and doses, and Ayurvedic preparations. Amalki or Phyllanthus embolica is one of the major constituents of Triphala, the magic formulation of Ayurveda to the mankind. All parts of the plants are used for medicinal purpose, especially the fruit, which has been used in Ayurveda as a potent rasayan. Amalki is called Vayasthapani. It is the main component of the Chyawanprash rasayan. Amalki is potent source of vitamin C, highly nutritious, and could be an important dietary source, amino acid and minerals. Philambalin, one of the major components of chemical compositions, potentiates the action of adrenaline hormone in the body. It is a CNS depressant and also has a spasmolytic activity. It is known to exhibit antibacterial and antiviral activity. This is the view of Amalki. Botanical name is Phyllanthus embolica. Family is Euphorbiaceae. In Sanskrit name is Amalki or Dhatri. English name is Indian gooseberry. According to Charak, Amalki is Vayasthapan, Chakshushya, Rasayan, Tridoshjit and Brishya. Ras is Madhur, Aml, Katu, Tikt, Kashay. Gun is Laghu, Roksh. Virya is Sheet. Vipak is Madhur. Dosh effect is Amalki is Tirdosh Shamak. Useful part is fruit. Dose is 3 to 6 gram of the drug in powder form and 5 to 10 ml of fresh juice. Therapeutic potency of Amalki is one of the foremost drugs recommended in Ayurvedic classics for the rasayan. Amalki is the potent drug to reverse the pathophysiology and relieves the symptoms of premature aging, supports healthy metabolism, digestion, and promotes anti-inflammatory properties that cool, tone, and nourish tissues and organs. It nourishes the heart and respiratory system. It is known to promote energy, reproductive health, and healthy cholesterol level. Amla is also a tonic for the heart, the arterial system, the respiratory system, the sense organs, and the mind. It is natural antioxidant, promotes healthy eyes, hair, nails, and skin. External application is advocated in alopecia or hair fall, toothache, and ophthalmic conditions. Fermented liquor prepared from the fruit is used in jaundice, dyspepsia, and cough. Amalki is cardioprotective, spasmolytic, mild CNS depressant, hypolipidemic, anti-atherosclerotic, antioxidant, anti-ulcer, immunomodulatory, HIV-1 reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Thanks for sharing your time with me. If you find any difficulty to understand the topic, please comment in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thanks once again.